Welcome to your D131 Graphic Design 1 for our at-home assignment from Thursday the 27th. And you'll have two things. You'll have a hands-on quiz and you'll have a Halloween flyer. The first thing that I'm going to go over right now is the hands-on quiz. And this is just an exercise where you can kind of match up typefaces together that are complementary and they contrast. So let's try it. You're going to go to coursework and you're going to go down to Unit 8, it should be. And there it is, hands-on quiz, and the file is called HOQ when you see it. But you're going to go here, and the video that I'm making right now you'll eventually see in here, but you're going to click on this. And if you're not logged into Figma, you'll see something like this. So then you just have to log in. So now I'm authenticated and I'm logged in, and first thing you'll do is go up here. It should say view only. You'll duplicate to your draft so it's in your account, and then open it. So you're opening up yours, not the one that I shared with you. And then go up here, and where it has last F and copy, just put your name, last name, first initial, however you want to do that. And what you'll see here, there's 4 options, 1, 2, 3, 4, for Yergi Brewing Company, Excelsior Salon and Spa, Smith Construction, and although I just see I spelled construction wrong. So first thing you'll do is fix construction, so you have that spelled right. Or unless I update it before you do that. But what you'll do is you'll match these up, and you'll try to do that by making sure they contrast. They're not from the same category of font. And meaning the same category of font, you shouldn't have 2 different serifs from the same category or 2 different scripts. If they're from the same family, that's okay. So right now we have a script. So what would you do there? Would I put a script underneath a script, a different one? This one is yesteryear. This one is Caution script. No, you wouldn't do that. So that wouldn't work there. Would you put an italic under there? Possibly. But would the other 2s work okay? Sure. I mean, let's see. This is a script. You could put a script here. That looks okay. You have a script with the large sans serif. And would this work here? Maybe. Now, this would probably go better with this one, rather than having an italic in a script, because italic is like a script. That's the only reason I'm saying that. It's not that it's against the rules, but it's very much like a script. So you might, whenever you have a script, you probably want something really plain with it. So that's why I would probably first go here and possibly use that. Now I'm not saying this is correct, but I'm saying possibly you might use that. And this one is Source Serif Pro, and this is Source Serif Pro. Would they work? Sure, they would work. Would these work? Possibly. You have a sans serif and then you have an italic serif. And here you have a serif and then you have a script. Would one work better than the other? Maybe. It all depends. Now, we don't have any color involved yet or anything like that, but that's what you're going to be doing. So make sure that you fix construction, or I'll try to fix it and put the S in there after the N, because I don't have that. I have construction. That one's really wrong, so I'll fix both of those for you. Once I fix the link, they should be okay. But that's what you're going to do. These 4 here, you're just going to go down there and match up the ones that kind of work the best. And remember, don't mix script and script. Try to always find something plain that goes with the script. So do those, and then when you're done, you're going to share. You're going to copy the link. You're going to go back to coursework. You're going to go on the hands-on quiz, and then you're going to add a comment, and then you're going to insert a link. You're going to paste your link that you just copied, and make sure you change this to new window, and then you'll hit save, and that's how you'll finish it up. And that's all you got to do for that. So for the next assignment, we're going to have a little flyer that we're going to work on, a Halloween flyer, so you could enjoy your Halloween festivities working on a Halloween flyer. It's similar to what we've been doing in computer graphics. You won't have to do as much. You'll just do a little design work. But I thought that might be nice to kind of work on a little bit more of a fun kind of flyer instead of all the kind of boring stuff we've been doing a lot. So anyway, that's your hands-on quiz, and that's in Unit 8. So stay tuned for your Halloween flyer, and I will fix the spelling of construction before you see that link.